driving to Port Hudson National Historic Site outside of Baton Rouge. It's a beautiful day to be up here. Talk about how we don't have much terrain here in Louisiana, but you come into Port Hudson and you got nice terrain. Hike up and down hills. See, there's Roger back there. I'm headed down. So it's a really nice place to come. If you haven't been out here in a while, it's really nice. And the museum has some very nice displays.
You have an enclosed defensive emplacement outside a larger fort. Usually relying on earthworks or some are constructed of stone and brick.
I don't think we have any stones or brick here though, huh?
Solid
It's all
earth.
yeah. All earthworks. Okay, so we weren't at Fort, what's it called? Desperate yet. But we've gone down to Commissary Hill, which is, we've gone over a hill. I don't know, about a hill here. This is down into a valley of some kind. A bridge. It's funny, all the times I've been here, I've never actually explored every little thing. It's just come in here, hike a little bit, and get back. So this is really pretty fun when you start looking at the history of this and what all went on here. Oh, this must be it right here, huh? Trail ends. Okay. We're at Commissary Hill now. You can't see, we've come up for us a ways. And this is where evidently they had there was a building here. It's high on a hill. It's probably the highest hill we've seen right here so far. And this is where Stedman's headquarters was, and he was the 15th Arkansas and the 10th Arkansas and the 1st Alabama. We're leaving Commissary Hill and headed down. Just wanted to show that we are, it's not real high. This is kind of like I missed getting to hike in Colorado because I couldn't breathe, and now we're here and it's just lovely. Wave to the folks, honey. What? Wave to the folks. Okay, I'm gonna catch you. I love the sound of the crunching leaves.
What?
I love the sound of the crunching leaves. Oh, back up another hill. No alligators? No water, probably.
Yeah. And they just threw the old boards into the creek.
Wow. Lots of nice picnic areas here. Just a lovely place to spend the afternoon with your friends or kids or family or whatever.